Hey guys, today I want to talk about a new offering of mattresses from a company called Diamond Mattress. Now, Diamond Mattress is out of California. They're a factory direct company. That means they make all their own product, and they've taken a lot of industry knowledge and really poured that into some phenomenal products. So today I'm going to dive into each one of them and tell you the unique characteristics of each to help you make the right decision. Normally, I don't really talk too much about opening a mattress, but the Diamond Mattress came in a really nice, sleek box. It was in pristine condition. And when I opened it, I came across this nice bag filled with some goodies. So there's things like earplugs, great for traveling, a sleep mask, and then a gratitude bracelet, which I'm wearing right here. So that was a nice surprise. Now, when I put the mattress on the bed and cut it open, it sort of just sprung to life and came to shape pretty much instantly. As you can see behind me, I have 4 mattresses. Now, each one of these mattresses incorporates unique materials to give them a distinct feel. The names of the mattresses are Grateful, Intention, Faith, and Transformation, which makes an acronym for the word gift. Each of the 4 mattresses behind me in the Diamond Mattress collection come in a soft, medium, and firm. For the purpose of this review, I chose all medium firmness so we can make some apples to apples comparisons. So let's start out with the Grateful. Grateful retails for $9.99 for a queen, and it's their entry-level mattress. This mattress has a gray and green cover. It's a stretch knit fabric. Below that, you get the cooling gel memory foam, and below that, you get a layer of transition foam. Finally, for the base layer, you get a pocketed zone coil system. Grateful mattress is the only mattress out of this lineup that doesn't come with handles and has a simpler profile. So let's move on to the Intention. Now, the Intention mattress also comes with a base layer pocket coil system. In fact, all 4 of these mattresses use that system. What really separates it apart is something called sparkle foam. Now, this foam is actually a graphene foam that has cooling properties. And they put that layer right below the knitted cover. So you get a nice cooling effect, and it's actually convoluted. So you have these hills and valleys, which is going to allow for better airflow. Now, this mattress retails for $11.99, so it's a little bit more of a price upgrade, but you are getting more technology with the mattress. What I first noticed when I laid on the Intention mattress is that it was really cool, and that's because they use a healthy amount of phase change material. That's material that draws away heat and gives you an initial cooling sensation and actually allows you to fall asleep a little bit faster. Now, moving on to the Faith mattress, you can tell by its distinct gray on gray color, darker gray bottom, lighter gray top. This mattress incorporates even more of that graphene foam, and because of that, you're going to pay just a little bit more. It retails for $14.99. Now, because it has more graphene foam, you also get superior pressure relief. Lastly, let's talk about the Transformation mattress. This mattress is similar in color. It's the gray on gray like the Faith mattress, but what makes it distinct is that piping along the top. Now, in terms of construction, you get it all. This mattress has the phase change material. It has the sparkle foam, also known as that graphene foam, but you also get microcoils. These coils are designed to give you more breathability, quicker recovery, and better pressure relief. So if you want a mattress that has the best cooling technology, pressure relief, quickest recovery, this is the mattress for you. This mattress is also the highest priced in the series, retailing at $16.99. Diamond Mattress offers a 120-night trial and a forever warranty. All of the mattresses are made with a pocket coil system and a foam encased border. That means you get great edge support and you can maximize the use of the mattress. What I really liked about Diamond is that they are a mattress manufacturer, so they know that people will have preferences for different types of material, and they really do try and incorporate that in all of their mattresses. So chances are you're really going to find something you like. Now, you can look at their mattress selector tool. They have that on their website, but I'd first head over to sleepsherpa.com. We'll really give you the lowdown on each one of the mattresses and help you decide which one's for you, and you can take advantage of the best discounts.